Excel can perform exactly the same types of simple calculations that you would tap into a calculator. Regardless of the type of calculation you want to perform, all calculations in Excel start with the equal symbol. Here are more details about how you can use Excel to replicate the different types of calculations. Type this into a cell and pressing Enter results in the cell displaying the sum, while the formula bar shows what you typed when you select that cell. You can also follow the same principle when adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Excel mostly follows the same order of operations as most calculators, with a few additional operators added to cater to Excel's advanced tools and capabilities. If the program encounters operators with the same precedence, it deals with the operators from left to right. Add parentheses to Excel calculations to dictate the order of operations more closely. You can also use Excel's cell references. To make things even easier, Excel has an auto-sum capability that saves you from having to select the cells you want to include in your calculation. To do this, I will select the cell immediately underneath the final value. Click the Auto-Sum drop-down arrow in the Home tab on the ribbon and click the operation you want to perform. Excel is also capable of performing more complex calculations, and you're not restricted to the options in the Auto-Sum drop-down menu. Click More Functions if you want to create the types of calculations you might perform on a scientific calculator. Alternatively, use this list as a starting point for typing calculations manually. You can also calculate standard deviation in Excel by typing and clicking the type of standard deviation you want to use. Finally, to calculate the logarithm of a number to a specified base. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.